How to create an e-shop in Cyprus in 11 steps. To create an e-shop in Cyprus, you can follow these general steps. Define your business plan, determine your target market, products or services you will offer, pricing strategy, and any unique selling propositions. Register your business, decide on the legal structure of your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, or company, and register it with the relevant authorities in Cyprus. This may involve registering a trade name, obtaining a business license, and obtaining a tax identification number. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform that suits your needs. Shopify, WooCommerce, a WordPress plugin, and Magento are popular options. Consider factors such as ease of use, features, scalability, and integration capabilities. Shopify is the best platform to use as a beginner, as is the easiest and most user-friendly of all. You can click here to start for free. Set up your e-shop, sign up for an account with your chosen e-commerce platform and follow their setup process. This typically involves selecting a template/theme for your shop, customizing the design, configuring payment gateways, and setting up shipping options. Ensure that your website is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for mobile devices. Add products and content. Create detailed product listings, including high-quality images, descriptions, pricing, and stock information. Organize your products into categories and consider implementing filters or search functionality to enhance the user experience. Additionally, create engaging and informative content, such as an About Us page, contact information, and any necessary legal pages, terms of service, privacy policy, etc. Set up payment gateways. Choose payment gateways that are popular and trusted in Cyprus, such as PayPal, Stripe, or local options like JCC or Bank of Cyprus. Configure the payment gateways to securely accept payments from your customers. Establish shipping options. Determine your shipping methods, rates, and any restrictions or additional fees. If using local courier services, ensure you have agreements in place. Provide clear information about shipping times, policies, and any tracking options available. Implement security measures. Prioritize the security of your customers' data and transactions. Use SSL certificates to encrypt data transmission and ensure your website is PCI compliant if processing credit card payments. Regularly update your e-commerce platform, plugins, and themes to address any security vulnerabilities. Market your e-shop. Develop a marketing strategy to drive traffic to your e-shop. Utilize digital marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and online advertising. Consider partnering with influencers, running promotions, or using content marketing to attract customers. Provide customer support. Implement customer support channels such as email, live chat, or phone to assist customers with inquiries, issues, or returns. Offer clear communication channels and respond promptly to customer inquiries to build trust and ensure customer satisfaction. Monitor and optimize. Regularly analyze your e-shop's performance using analytics tools provided by your e-commerce platform. Track sales, conversion rates, website traffic, and customer behavior to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your strategies based on insights to optimize your e-shop's performance and increase sales. Remember to consult with professionals familiar with Cyprus's specific legal and taxation requirements to ensure compliance with local regulations throughout the process.